question number 1. In question number 1, we have to simplify ratio. Okay, part 1 is 1.5 kg ratio 350 grams. First of all, we know that when you are talking about the ratio, your quantities should be same. As we have kg here and gram here, so either we have to convert kg into gram or gram into kg to make the both units same. So it's better if you convert this kg into gram, and we know that 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. So we multiply this with 1000. When you multiply this with 1000, your answer is 1500 grams. That means if you convert 1.5 kg into grams, your answer is 1500 grams. Now we will put the values of 1.5 kg as 1500 grams, ratio 350 grams. Now we have to cancel both the values. Can I cancel? We will divide both the numbers with 10. When you divide both the numbers with 10, you have the answer 150 gram with 335. Now again you have to use the same values. You can cancel the gram with gram. Okay, now we will choose 5, 30. When you divide 150 with 5, you have the answer 30, ratio 7. So 30 and 7 cannot be further simplified because 7 is a prime number. So this is your answer. This is a simplified form of 1.5 kg ratio 350 gram. Now we will do B part. In B part we have to simplify two fractions. Okay, this is a ratio of two fractions, और जब भी हमें fractions को simplify करना है तो आपने क्या करना है, उनका denominator remove करना है. Here we have 24 as the denominator, here we have the 7 at the denominator. So अपने steps को simplify करने के लिए हम एक ऐसा number choose करेंगे कि जिसको दोनों तरफ multiply करेंगे तो automatically आपका एक ही step में 24 भी remove हो जाएगा और 7 भी remove हो जाएगा. तो उसके लिए आपके पास एक hint है. वो hint कौन सा है कि आप directly क्या लो, 24 और 7 का LCM लो. जब आप 24 और 7 का LCM लोगे तो आपका आंसर आएगा 166. That means जब हम क्या करेंगे, 15 over 25 को भी 168 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे रेशियो. 9 over 7 मल्टीप्लाई बाय, हम यहाँ पे इसे मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे 168. अब यहाँ पे जब हम कैंसिलेशन करते हैं, 24 1s are 24 and 24 7s are, and here 27 1s are 7 and 7 24. ठीक है. Now 15 into 7 we have ratio 9 multiplied by 24. Now you have to multiply both the numbers. When you multiply 15 with 7, you have the answer 105. And when you multiply 9 with 24, you have the answer 216. Okay. Now they can be further simplified or not. We have to check this. Okay, they both can be simplified over 3. 3 3s are 35 and 3 7 and 3 2. They can be further simplified or not. We have to check this. They both cannot be further simplified. So this is your answer in C part. Okay, in C part we have the ratio of two decimal numbers. So first step in decimals will always be remove the decimal. So first we will remove the decimal. After removing the decimal, we will have 100 in the denominator. Why? Because we have two digits after decimal point. Same, we have 100 in the denominator of 85 as we have two digits after the decimal point. So we will place two zeros. Now we know that we have to follow the same steps as we do in the simplification of fractions. We will remove 100 on both sides. So it's better if you multiply 100 over both sides. Ratio 85 over 100 multiplied by 100. So I'll cancel this 100 with this 100 and this 100 with this 100. You have the answer 45, ratio 85. Now you want to further simplify it. You have to choose a table on which we will divide both the numbers. So we will choose 5. 5 9s are 45 and 5 1s are and 5 7s are 35. So this is your answer in the simplification of 0.45 ratio 0.85. Okay, now we will do D part. In D part we have 580 milliliter ratio 1.12 liters ratio 104 milliliter. If we will focus on the 1 point as ratio is always of the same quantity. So here we have milliliter, here liter and millimeter. So your choice is either you want to convert milliliters into liters or liters into milliliters. So our preference would be to convert the bigger unit in the smaller unit. So we have 1.12 liters. So we want to convert into milliliters, as we know 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. So we will multiply with 1000. So our answer would be 1120 milliliters. Okay, so that means we can replace 1.12 liters with 1120 milliliters. Now we continue our question. We have 580 milliliters ratio 1120 milliliters ratio 104 milliliters. Okay, now we have to choose the same table. So first step I will cancel milliliters. Next step I will divide all the three numbers over 2. When you divide this number over 2, you have the answer 290 ratio 560 ratio 52. Now again I can see that I can divide again with 2. So when I divide it again 2, we have the answer 145 ratio 280 ratio 26. Now this can again be divided over 2, but this cannot be divided as we have 145 over here. So this cannot be further simplified. So I will check either I can divide it over 3. Yes, we cannot divide it over 3 as well because we have 26 over here and 26 does not come to the table of 3. So this fraction cannot be further simplified. So this is your answer. Okay, now we will do E part. In E part we have to take the ratio of 3 fractions. Same rule, we have to remove the denominator of all the 3 fractions. So the hint is always take the LCM of all the denominators. So if you take the LCM of all the denominators, you have the answer 2 1 3 as it is and 2 4s are, and I will directly use 4 just to avoid confusion of time. 3. Now 2 for 2 are 8, 8 3 are 24. That means our LCM is 24. Now that means we have to multiply all the 3 fractions with 24. Ratio 3 by 2 multiplied by 24 ratio 5 by 8 multiplied by 24. Now I'll go for the cancellation. As 3 ones are 3, 3 8s are 24, 2 ones are 2, 2 12s are 24, and 8 ones are 8, and 8 3s are 24. Now 8 2s are 16. Ratio, when you multiply 3 with 12, you have the answer 36, and when you multiply 5 with 3, you have the answer 15. Now, can this be further simplified? No, it cannot be simplified over 2, it cannot be simplified over 3, it cannot be further simplified, so this is your answer. Okay, F part. In F part, we have to take the ratio of 3 quantities, that is 0.33, 0.63 and 1.8. These are the decimal numbers. So, in decimal numbers, first step will always be to remove the decimal point. So, when I remove the decimal point of this number, we have 33 over 100 because we have 2 digits. So we will place 2 zeros here, and 63 over 100 same, we will place 2 zeros, and here we will place 18 over 10 as we have 1 zero because we have 1 digit after the decimal point. Now same as step we have followed in the simplification of fractions, you want to remove the denominators. Here we have 100, 110. So you have to choose a number with which it should be multiplied so that we can remove all the denominators in one step. So the hint is you will take the LCM of 110. When you take the LCM of 110, you have the answer 100. So it's better if you multiply all the fractions with 100. 63 over 100 multiplied by 100 ratio 18 over 10 multiplied by 100. Now this 100 will be cancelled with this, and this will be this, and 10 with 10. Now you have the answer 33 ratio 63 ratio 180. Now we have to simplify further. We cannot simplify it over 2 as this is an odd number, so we will choose 3. When you simplify, because you have to choose the number with that should divide all the numbers. So we will choose 3. 3 11s are 33, 3 21s are 63, and 3 60s are 180. So it cannot be further simplified as 11 is a prime number. So this is your answer.